About this item: this travel adapter with 4 international plug adapters. Cover more than 150 countries with US/EU/UK/O plugs, but this adapter cannot be used in South African, India, Swiss and Italy. Please kindly pay attention to avoid any inconvenience. This charger adapter plug converts the power outlet only, it does not convert electrical output current and voltage. All-in-one adapter with fuse protect, built-in safety shutters, LED power indicator. Dual USB ports. Ideal for iPhone, iPad, Samsung Tab, iPod, smartphones, 5V tablets, Bluetooth speakers and headset etc. Rated power, 110V/650W, 220V/1300W. Power output, 100-240 VAC 50-60 Hz 6A max. Only apply to the use of small power electric appliances when traveling, such as mobile phone, digital products, computer with low power of small household appliances. The travel adapter does not work with high power appliances such as hair straightener, flat iron, hair curler, hair dryer, steam iron, hot water heater, coffee maker, etc. in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: this travel adapter with 4 international plug adapters. Cover more than 150 countries with US/EU/UK/O plugs,